Alright, boys, back at it. This is Badass 4. Alright, boys, you know what? Reg.
Recording.
I want to see this shit. Shit. Oh.
Holy shit. Hey, that's like really fun. You're doing Netflix.
Shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
People are doing that. Hey Archie, recording on my iPad. Gonna for you to take a close look at that body.
Oh yeah.
No, don't start doing it until I'll tell you when it's recording.
Do that. Go look at my body.
No, fuck that. They'll go
Look at
flying.
my body. No, just put it there.
No, you need tape.
Want me to do it?
Okay, do it then. No
Okay,
screen
guys.
protector, okay.
Okay, guys, look. My RC. We flipped it over a shit ton of times.
You do know you're going to be losing
Guess what?
$600 that race,
Guess
right?
what? Guess what, guys?
Oh shit, you're on hot gun. That's falling, that's falling.
Well,
Oh!
just about.
Oh!
Ben, your iPod case is better.
Yeah, I know, and I got a screen protector to see how the better.
Yeah, so can I.
No!
Ben,
No! 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 Shit. Tape it on. Oh! Oh! Nick's rotted. Let me see.
It's still going.
Is there any scratches on it?
A couple.
Oh, it was on the screen.
That was on the screen.
Ah! They were already there.
Rotted.
Oh.
Okay, no, don't put it back on there.
Okay, boss.
Ben, so stick in there. He has the screen protector so long.
Why not using one for that? Even though
Ben, chicken.
we're not chicken. Cause they're not breaking something that was around $600 or $700.
You got the free, right?
Yeah, but the bar brand new was $600 or $700. Okay, how much is it then? Well, only thing that makes these come on iPads anymore, cause you got the wait, do they? Oh. Okay. Shit! Don't tell me what you think you're gonna do.
Yeah, hold on, I gotta fix that.
Look at that body.
Ugh.
We're flat out if we want to
That looks bad. Looks like something's broken.
What we doing here?
Oh, it's broken. See you after.
No, it's not broken.
That?
No, it's not.
Oh, I was just gonna end the video. Still continuing.
I'm ending it just in case if it shows up that message.
It doesn't matter anyways. It only stops the video. It's like it's the same thing really. The video, if the thing pops up on the screen, it just stops the video. It doesn't actually end it, and then you can't see it. It's just letting you know that you need to delete some storage. Watch out, Nick just goes flat out and runs over.
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Yeah, give him an
That was
inside
so
look.
funny.
Give him an inside look.
No. Oh,
Just
oh,
bend.
look.
Look, see, look.
Is that a new motor?
Yeah, see, yeah, brand new motor.
That's awesome.
Pretty sick though.
Look at that body work, boys. Look at that body work.
This body works.
Yeah.
Yeah, I painted it myself.
I know, right?
I did. I actually painted it myself.
I know, Nick. I so believe you.
My other body broke that was like this, so I bought a new body to paint myself. So.
Did you? Oh, there it goes.
Part 2, we're having RC CAR R.i.p.
Hey Nick, bring it towards me. Yeah. Shit. Oh. Nick starts like doing this. There goes that poor bitch. Nah, I'm joking.
Just rolled off into the sunset.
You're just like, oh, there she goes.
Oh no, she's coming back.
Oh God. Oh shit. Oh God, go! I might super glue this case on my iPad. I might.
Come back before you lose range.
This case will not like come off.
Oh, it's a span chasing us. Span.
Oh, it's a bus. Okay, never mind. It's not coming right.
Span chasing
There you go, boys. 100 miles an hour. How mad would you be over a car actually just came along and just like ran that right over? Nick, but there's a car coming out, just saying. Cross! Nick! Hey, don't you got another one I charge? What?
Let's take a soul triple flow.
Okay then.
To make it go the exact same speed as you walk.
I'm gonna beat it. So guys, like, I don't care, like, you give this a like if you want, because we might be ending the video about in a few seconds once Nick is back. So yeah, pretty much see you later.